Hello everyone, my name is Anindya. I'm here to represent my research team, Tiffany Netania, Nisrin Husna, and also Evelina Mona, to present our paperwork entitled Impression Management in the Workplace, Internship Students' Personal Branding Strategy. The role of personal branding is significant in the workplace to provide benefits for one's professional career. To achieve good personal branding, self-presentation and impression management are needed. A good impression management strategy will help minimize risk to negative impression and also help to create good personal branding in the workplace. For student interns who experience their first stage of professional life, managing people's perception as well as ensuring appropriate and sustainable digital presence may be more challenging as they would also need to learn a lot of new things at work to perform well. The objective of this study is to understand how student interns develop and implement their impression management strategies to build personal branding in the workplace. The method used was the qualitative data collection method through interviews in Zoom meeting and also LinkedIn documentation. The informers were final year students with internship experience at a local private university. The results showed that the student interns undergone stages and actions of personal branding development, namely image planning, strategy building, strategy execution, and also evaluation of the strategy. The impression management strategy in the beginning were the ingratiation and also self-promotion because they wanted to be liked and recognized for their competencies and also hard skills. However, later on, after they learn about the organizational culture, they had to adjust their strategy to exemplifications in real life interaction and also self-promotion using LinkedIn social media platform. The informers feel the benefits from developing their personal branding, namely increasing their selling point, opening relationship and connections, increasing opportunities, and also becoming a reference for developing self-standard. The students stated that the personal branding execution process required the most attention due to ensuring the branding and image to be perceived as best as possible. In execution, students believe that by presenting themselves properly, building a good impression to the public can increase the success of the personal branding itself. Prior to the image adjustment, students were still full of ambition to be best at work. However, later on, they had to adjust their image and also strategy. They wanted to emphasize on their characters and soft skills more. The students also utilize LinkedIn to develop their profile and also professional activities to support their branding strategy, which can also build public impression towards the image that they desire. Therefore, establishing a digital presence is also considered important. LinkedIn checked all the elements from personal branding platforms framework, including identity construction, visibility, and interaction through the building of professional profile, where they can post profile picture to best represent themselves, and then they can also promote themselves through regular posts or accomplishment sharing, and then they can also message and comment in LinkedIn as well as allowing others to connect as network. The conclusions are in the workplace, the strategies most frequently planned in the beginning are ingratiation and also self-promotion. However, later there would be a need to adjust after understanding the culture, which changes to highlight their good characters and also soft skills. It was considered more beneficial for them in the long term, supported with the fact that the environment rewarded those with positive characters more and also those who can blend well with the team. It is important to develop sensitivity to understand the culture and environment in the workplace in order to best present themselves and form a positive impression. The young professionals should also be conscious of developing and adjusting their personal branding, both in the workplace as well as in the digital platform, while staying authentic to their own selves. Understanding the objective or personal branding and how to present themselves in various contexts will be the key of the successful self-brand. That's it from our team. Thank you for your attention.